Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable theft protection. Okay, so we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down until we find security and privacy. Now click on lost device protection, and in here the second option is theft protection. Click right in here. In here we have the identity check, theft detection lock, offline device lock, and the remote lock. Let's begin with the identity check. Click in here, click on continue. Here we need to set the secure screen lock first. In here we have three possible options. It can be PIN and the fingerprints, password and the fingerprints, and or the pattern and the fingerprints. So let's say I'll select that one. Simply select your your pattern, click on confirm, click on done, and now click on continue, click on continue. Now we need to add your fingerprint, so that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, you need to place your finger inside of that sensor, and sometimes it doesn't want to scan it because the phone might be dirty or your finger, so make sure everything is clean. Currently I'm having some problems with the sensor because it doesn't want to check and doesn't want to scan my finger. I don't know why. Okay, but that's not about it. Below we can also see the screen locking. We have the theft detection lock. In here we can turn it on. We also have the offline device lock. In here we can turn it on also. And we can also turn on the remote lock in here. But if you want to use this feature, you need to have your SIM card or eSIM enabled and or plugged in. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.